This is Kaylee Gonzalez with MLC CAD Systems, and I'm going to be discussing what's new in eDrawings 2020. So I need to take you back to last year, where eDrawings Professional 2019 introduced beta functionality for support for virtual reality. We could put on a headset and be able to immerse ourselves in our design and see our design in a one-to-one scale and be able to interact with that environment. Well, eDrawings Professional 2020 is now fully supporting virtual reality. Once we open our assembly, we're going to see full support for a number of additional items, including full scene anti-aliasing, transparency, and ambient occlusion. Also now in eDrawings Professional 2020, we have more control over our environment, such as changing the sky. We can customize and choose our floor as well, even change the floor scale, and we have an option that we can fade the floor into the horizon for a much more natural look. We can see through the glass, so the support for transparency is there, and once inside our OMAX water jet, we can see great examples of ambient occlusion on how these shadows are formed and created inside of eDrawings. eDrawings Professional 2020 creates a very seamless transition to virtual reality while utilizing and leveraging your native SOLIDWORKS files.